Hey everybody, we are here in Introduction to Geometry, and we're looking at the second section, which is related angles, and the second one is complementary and supplementary angles. So let's get started. Remember, when you click on the lesson, always make sure you hit the play button.
Suppose you have a right or 90-degree angle. Let's draw in another ray, and suppose this angle over here measures 60 degrees. What's the measure of this angle over here? If you're not sure, click down here to review.
Okay, we call these adjacent angles. They have a common ray inside. This side is 60 degrees, and of course we need 30 more to make 90.
Right, this angle is 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, or 30 degrees. Now, angles that add up to 90 degrees are called complementary angles. So these two angles are complementary. In other words, the complement of 60 degrees is 30 degrees, and the complement of 30 degrees is 60 degrees, because together these two angles add up to 90 degrees. So next, try finding the complements of angles measuring 80 degrees, 23 degrees, and 45 degrees.
All right, folks, obviously you need to do this yourself. This time,
Nicely done. An 80-degree angle is complementary to a 10-degree angle, 23 degrees is complementary to a 67-degree angle, and a 45-degree angle is complementary to another 45-degree angle. So this is the definition for complementary angles. Next, let's draw in a straight line, which has an angle of 180 degrees. And let's draw in another ray, and suppose this angle over here measures 40 degrees. What's the measure of this angle over here?
this is called a linear pair, and linear pairs always add up to a line, which is 180 degrees, and obviously we need 140 more to make it work.
Right, this angle is 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, or 140 degrees. Now, angles that add up to 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. So these two angles, 40 degrees and 140 degrees, are supplements to each other because they add up to 180 degrees. So your next challenge is to find the supplements of angles measuring 70 degrees, 90 degrees, and 154 degrees.
Here's a hint. You see how supplementary has two p's in it, and complementary only has one p. I think of the p's as being the perpendiculars, and the two p's gives me 180 degrees. Clearly, I need 110 more. The supplement of 90 degrees is 90, because that makes 180 altogether, and this one needs 26 more.
Excellent! A 70-degree angle is supplementary to a 110-degree angle. The supplement of 90 degrees is actually also 90 degrees, and a 154-degree angle is supplementary to a 26-degree angle. So this is the definition for supplementary angles. Now here's your final challenge. Suppose I tell you that two complementary angles have measures of 2x and 3x. Try using this information to solve for the variable x. If you get stuck, click down here.
Think of this as two different angles that add up to 90 degrees. 2x plus 3x then is equal to 90 degrees. You need to add these together, which gives you 5x, and it's equal to 90 degrees. So then you can solve it by dividing by 5 on both sides, and of course you get 18.
Excellent! So x equals 18 degrees. Let's make sure that's correct. If x is 18, then 2x is 36 degrees, and 3x is 54 degrees. So here's a 36-degree angle, and here's a 54-degree angle. Sure enough, these two angles are complementary and add up to a 90-degree, or right, angle. So 18 degrees was indeed the correct answer.
Okay, folks, that's it. Easy, 5 minutes.